when problem solving is not enough to find niches. The other rule a typical internet marketer most likely glossed over and assumed he knew: conducting thorough research to see what problem you can solve for your niche. If a typical internet marketer had really paid attention to those posts, he would have noticed that what everyone complained about repeatedly was the lack of buttons small enough to make the doll uniforms look perfectly scaled, not the lack of uniforms themselves. He had the perfect opportunity to develop and create highly realistic 1/6 scale buttons for all these people who enjoyed customizing and making their own outfits, but he missed it, because he was so focused on what he assumed his market wanted. But even if a typical internet marketer had paid attention, there's one more component to solving your market's problem that could have taken his niche effectiveness one step further. He could have studied his competition and learned even more what your competition can give you. It's a well-known fact that if you don't have competition, you don't have a viable niche. Shortly, I'm going to show you how to easily check out all these rules I'm busy filling you in on, and I'll make the process as painless as possible. But first, let's run a quick checklist of what you need to consider when it comes to competition. Are there products related to these niches being sold now? Are there lots of paid advertisements down the right-hand side of the page when you run a search in Google? Who holds the top spots in your niche, and will you have a reasonable chance of bumping them down the list? Are there actually any affiliate products being sold for your niche? If affirmative, the green lights are on for you. You are good to go.